everybody, Kristi coming back at you. I'm going to layer a cup, dump it on this canvas with this gorgeous blue and gold deco art mixed together. It's very pretty. Pop a bubble. Alright, so let's get to it. We've got the primary elements angel wing, the primary elements, oh, that one always stumps me, Chalcedona, primary elements carmine, that is a deep color. Did I mention primary elements angel wings? I don't know if I just said that or not. There's that one. I got Susan's Heirloom Shimmer by Porridge Posse. Very pretty pink. I have Coral Reef from Porridge Posse that puts off a gold reflex. Very pretty. I've got white with pearl medium mixed in and lots of Floetrol. The way it kind of gets to the end and it starts springing, that's kind of like cell activator springing. I think they've put something in our American Floetrol, but alright, let's layer this cup. I'm gonna go with a pretty good helping of white. Some angel wings. And that puts off a blue color. Let's jump right in with this red. It's awesome. Potent, but awesome. Susan's Heirloom Rose Shimmer. A little more than that. It's only a 10 by 10 canvas, so don't need too much more than that. And these paints are rather thick, so alright, let's do this. Wow, like I thought that red really took over. Oh. Alright. Now we're running off this side. I've got a lot of paint on here. Whoa, that was a massive dump. Very different. It looks like a big old clump. Why is it? Stupid acting. Well, I just don't know what's going on there. Maybe it's where the canvas was wet. That one spot is just not moving. Very, very pretty. Why does it look like I dripped in there? I didn't. I don't think. I'll just make it look like it's meant to be there. Just fiddling now, guys. Like these little points that come up. You know me, I gotta wreck something. That didn't work well. Yep, I think that's pretty cool. Let me know what you think in the comments. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Let me click my ring light off. Alright, guys. Here's the dried results of this. This will be very intriguing to see when it's dry, because in places like this purple here, see the fractals starting to make dendrites? I think dendrites are cool. There's just something about growing your own painting. There was a few other places I seen them. Oh, there's some right there. Yep. If you liked it, hit like, share, subscribe, and leave me a comment. See ya. Bye.